Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We are back at the spot where we shot the third servicing review video. So today is actually a special day. We are going to unbox and install something on Singa. Few days back there was an giveaway contest by AutoEngina. Of course, the top box is from the same company, the engine guard is from the same company, and this is the box they have sent me. Actually, it's a headlight grill, and I am the winner of the giveaway by them. So it's for 1500 rupees, and they have given it for free. So let's unbox it first. Where is the key? Yep. Okay, we can wrap this. पैकेजिंग ये उड़ जाएंगे यार हवा से. स्टिकर एंड एक्सटेंडेड नट बोल्ट्स है ग्रिल इंस्टॉल करने के लिए. This is the headlight grill, pretty sleek. Is there anything else? No. Now the packaging, this guy's packaging is top notch. Okay, they have given the black color. There was white color as well. I wanted the white color to be honest, but मैच हो जाएगा थीम के साथ. Okay, here's the headlight grill. Okay, this is how it will look. Okay, just let's install this now.